I don't know why our normal fucking intro won't work, but I thought this one will look nice. Hey Sparklers, it's your girl, Miss Sparkle from the Dora Show. I know I'm supposed to do the strange thing about the Johnsons, but that will be coming up. In the meanwhile, I thought I would do this video called Beep Beep I'm a Sheep. It's a little short video on YouTube that's about 2 minutes and 19 seconds long, and I hope you guys enjoy. Yes, sir. What the hell? What type of sheep makes that type of noise? Okay, that head is kind of creepy in a way. Okay. There's no way I'm not doing this dance. I'm not doing that. It's kind of catchy in a way. Okay, why is that? I didn't notice that sheep had a hat on in the background, and one has sunglasses. No, I don't have to beep beep. Oh, it's a creepy head again, with that how they have that mouth. It's like away from the rest of the body when it's talking. No. 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 Okay, I thought you guys were sheep. It's just this little cow on the sheep. So it went back to sheep now? Oh, what's the head? Okay, that was one of the weirdest things that I ever saw in my fucking life. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Anyways, kisses.